Gravity is aging all of us. Yes, everything is starting to move downward, and that's why I'm starting a new series on my YouTube channel where I'm going to be talking about aging gracefully or slowing it down literally by 5 years. The non-surgical facelift. But before we dive further, hi everyone, this is Vibhuti Arora, founder of House of Beauty and your face yoga master. I train and certify face yoga teachers globally. Today, I want to give you an example. Do you think if you go to the gym, rub lotion on your arms will get toned and you'll get that muscle? No, right? Then why think of it that applying skincare on my face will actually give me toned, lifted, snatched, muscular face? It's not going to happen. What you need is face yoga. What you need is facial exercise. What you need is the right skincare or face tools like the microcurrenting face massager. But before I start further, one more mistake that everybody does is targeting face yoga from the cheeks. But that's not the right approach. You need to start on your neck because the neck is supporting your facial muscles. If there is stress or strain, so many times you tell me that, oh, I have stiffness around my neck, I have stiffness around my shoulder blades. And that could be one of the reasons why your facial tension is not getting drained. That's where releasing the muscle tension from the neck actually comes into being, and then giving your face the natural facelift. For this, we will release the stress from the sternocleidomastoid muscle. You will turn to one side, this muscle will pop out. You will pinch this muscle, go all the way back, and then rotate your neck like this 6 times. Once you've done this, you will again get hold of the muscle, take your tongue out and go all the way up. This will release the pain and the stress from the back of the neck. Come back and repeat onto the other side. And relax. Just doing this daily is actually going to de-stress all of the stress of your face and give you glowing skin. Let's move on to microcurrenting technology. This technology is creating waves all the way globally, because one use of this massager over 10 minutes is equivalent to 5 hand face yoga workouts in one go. Before we move on further, let's talk about the science of the Facelift Pro or microcurrenting technology. This isn't a vibrational tool, but actually a tool that gives your muscles small little currents, stimulating them 5 times. This stimulation releases something called as ATP, which assists in overall cell regeneration, collagen boosting. This one specifically works for your cheek lifts and jawline toning, double chin reduction, and overall neck skin tightening. Think of this like you work out in the gym and you are exercising your glutes. When you do those squats, the glutes get tight, right? When you do the Facelift Pro, your cheek skin gets tight and your face gets overall snatched. Rule number 1, how to use the Microcurrent Facelift Pro. This is not a vibrator. That means you cannot use this on dry skin. It needs a conducting gel to be used. Typically, if I'm lazy, I like to use my collagen peptide cream and then use this so that the cream and the peptides actually get pushed into the dermis layer. If I am in for a full ritual, such as today, I'm going to use it with my overnight mask. You can also use it with aloe vera gel. This aloe vera gel is 30 ml. So in case you are traveling, this becomes the perfect travel easy combo. Point to remember when you're traveling with your Facelift Pro, Please put this in your cabin bag or in your purse. Do not check this in because it has a battery. Like your phone, you can recharge it and use it, and it doesn't go in your check-in baggage. Let's start with the neck, because how you use the Facelift Pro is equally important. I'm going to start with a generous application of the aloe vera gel. Don't be shy, use a lot of it because that is what is going to get the current going. Don't forget to apply the gel closest to your eyes as well, because we will be doing brow lifts, droopy eyelids and crow's feet reduction with this tool too. Part 2 is your jowl sculpt, because everyone wants a perfect jawline. You will keep both the conductors, one up and one below your jawline, and you will sculpt all the way like this. Move this tool very slowly. Now, this is on level 2 with a gel. That's why you're seeing the current so strongly. If you use it with the serum, the current is milder. I always hold it near my earlobe, because your SJ point is here, which is your maximum stress storage point. Apart from that, this motion is also telling your memory to stay in this position. The whole muscle memory conversation we've had comes into being. Move this and hold this across your jawline like this 6 to 8 times. I'm going to move into level 4 and show you what a drastic difference it makes on level 4. And relax. Sometimes people ask me that when I'm doing this, I can feel the current in my jaw or my teeth as well. Well, the muscle or the muscular network is all interconnected, and this is nerve stimulation at the same time. So it's very normal for you to feel the action of this tool in another part or a related muscle. This tool is absolutely amazing for overall facial paralysis or face lifting. One use of it and the snack jawline that you always wanted comes back. Now let's move on to the cheekbone lifter and the smile line corrector. You will move this tool across your droopy lips, hold it here where the lip typically tends to get droopy, lift your cheek muscles, sculpt under your zygomatic major and minor, and then hold and twist around your hairline. Even if you can't twist it, that's okay. You will lift, scoop, sculpt, hold. You will do this motion 6 to 8 times and then move both the conductors along your cheek and lift the entire cheek muscle till your temple 6 times. Relax. Now, let's assume you have malar lines or very stubborn lymphatic stagnation. You have a lot of puffiness. You wake up swollen around the eyes, or you have hollow eyes with deep inset line over here. This tool can be used there as well. What I will do is recommend moving the tool from level 3 to level 1. You will apply our Jawline eye based under eye cream. Apply a thick layer of that cream so that the peptides go in and actually plump your under eye. Use House of Beauty India's collagen serum on your full face if you are looking at collagen boosting. Place both the conductors under the eye and twist around your crow's feet for fine line reduction or crow's feet reduction as well. You will place and twist, place and twist. Again, doing this motion 6 to 8 times. From here, I will take both the conductors, place it on or under my eyebrow for the brow lift, and then go all the way into my hairline like this. And that's it. I'm cleaning this up, but you can go and wash your face. If you see my face or facial muscles in the mirror, one side will automatically be drastically lifted than the other side. The cheeks will be sculpted, the eyebrow will be higher, and your face will overall feel snatched. I saved the best for the last. This device can also be used for your hand wrinkles and your feet wrinkles or your cleavage wrinkles as well. Because once you have this, you can use it anywhere. Happy pampering!